Wallbox, a leading provider of charging and energy management solutions for electric vehicles worldwide, and Svea Solar, one of Europe's fastest-growing cleantech companies and Sweden's largest solar energy company, have announced a new partnership. Wallbox will become the main EV charging solution for Svea Solar's consumer offerings in Sweden, the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, and Spain. Svea Solar is a partner to IKEA in 4 European markets, offering solar systems to residential customers. As a result of the new partnership, Wallbox products will be sold alongside Svea Solar's solar offering to complement users' home energy ecosystem and empower more people to switch to electric vehicles more easily. Wallbox AC chargers come standard with EcoSmart, the company's energy management software, which allows users who have a PV installation in their home to charge their EV with self-produced sustainable energy. Through the Wallbox app, users can choose to charge their EV with 100% green energy from their home PV installation or blend excess solar with grid power. Founded in 2015, Wallbox is dedicated to changing the way the world uses energy in the electric vehicle industry. The company creates smart charging systems that combine innovative technology with outstanding design and manage the communication between vehicle, grid, building, and charger. Shares of Wallbox trade on the NYSE under the ticker symbol WBX. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.